the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John, and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time, guys. And I've got a treat for you today. If you like engine sounds, exhaust, this is your video. We're going to test 3 different sounds. First, we're going to check the stock sound. We're going to do, and for all our 3 options, we're going to do a cold start. We're going to do an idle, and a drive-by, and an in-cab as well. So quite a few tests. We're going to do the stock system. We're going to do straight pipe with the flapper deleted, and then also we're going to test out the Flowmaster Super 44 also with the flap deleted. And so if you got headphones on, this is definitely the one to put those on so you can really hear that rumble. It just, when you listen to it through the phone, you're thinking, I don't hardly hear anything, or this sounds better than that. I promise you, put it on the surround sound in the house, throw the good headphones on, do yourself a favor if you really want to enjoy this one. So we do have the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss LT in our video today with the 6.2 liter. And so this is the biggest gas engine you can get in the Silverado 1500, and it's a monster, guys. This thing it will spin tires in 3rd gear if you hammer it. It's the fastest probably vehicle I've ever owned, and I've owned some little sports cars and stuff that still wasn't as fast as this. So you want this thing to sound like a truck, right? And so I'll go ahead and tell you the stock system doesn't sound like anything, and so we want a little bit more noise. So I'll let you listen to all 3 of the exhaust setups, and then we'll come back and we'll discuss it a little bit. So put your headphones on. Let's get some cold starts going. Well, I hope you enjoyed all that rumble. So let's go ahead and diagnose these 3 systems. And you may wonder why I had 3 different ones. Well, first of all, stock. This is a 6.2 liter V8, big muscle engine, and the stock system is silent. And so if you like quiet, they did good. They made this thing silent, really. Cold starts, hardly anything there. Won't wake up anybody. You don't even hear it going down the road at all. And so, if that's what you like, it's perfect for that. So then let's go ahead and jump to the straight pipe and no flapper. I actually took this to the muffler shop to get the Super 44, and he said, what you want is the straight pipe, flapper delete. He said, Super 44 is not going to do it for you. I said, well, I don't want anything too crazy loud. He says, these engines aren't that loud. I said, okay. I mean, he was very adamant about it. So I spent my $90. He cut my muffler off in the flapper valve and put the straight pipe on, and on the way home, I already knew I'd made a mistake. It was so loud in the cab that even turning up the radio, all you could hear was just that whoa. And these trucks are interesting because they have the cylinder deactivations, so it would be going whoa and it would quit. So you'd hear whoa, oh, whoa, going down the road. I know I'm making silly noises. It was super annoying, making my stomach hurt. It was too loud. And then I thought, well, maybe I'll get used to it. I cranked it up that morning in the video. My wife was like, yeah, I don't think that's going to work. That cold start, you may not be able to hear it in the video. It's like a gunshot going off at that first pop. I work downtown on the square, and I got off of work, and I cranked that thing up. I shook the whole block. It was plenty loud. So even though the straight pipe or muffler delete, it sounded good, it was just too much. And so we went back and got the Super 44. And to me, that's the sweet spot. You crank it up, it's just got that low grumble. It's a lower tone than the straight muffler delete. So it's got a real low grumble, not nearly as loud in the cab. So that was great for me. And so I really like it. One interesting thing, though, when you're just tooling around, you could hear it a little bit. You know it's there, but it's not annoying. You want to know I got an exhaust. So that's not a problem. I know when you get on it inside, I don't know, it's almost like it gets quieter the harder you get on it. Now, I do know, I've only had this thing on for a day or two. I do know the longer you have them, the louder they get, so that may change. I'm not hating it. I don't really get on it a whole lot, but, I really like the Super 44. The muffler guy said that, I wasn't going to hear anything. It's plenty for me. So, is there another muffler you would recommend that maybe I should try out? What do you have on your truck? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to hear, and I respond to every comment, even if it's something, just off the wall. Long as it's not inappropriate, I'll delete you. But that's it for the video. Sorry for the long ramble at the end. It's 3 different sound profiles. If you want to see more like this, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm popping these videos out one after the other on this truck and our side-by-side, so I'll try to keep you entertained. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.